Hey, it's Ricky with Bento Systems, and I wanted to make a video to answer the question, what is Bento Systems? So to sum it up quickly, Bento Systems is enterprise class business management software that's priced at a point that makes it accessible to almost any business out there. So what does that really mean to us, enterprise class? Uh, to answer that, we're going to have to back up a little bit and talk about why we built Bento in the first place. So, not too long ago, we used to build custom software solutions for specific business problems, or at least what we thought were specific problems at the time. As it turns out, a lot of the problems that businesses have are shared across many different business types and different verticals. So, we decided to stop building custom software and build a platform that's designed to solve those central problems while still giving each business owner and team the tools that they need to make the system their own. So at the highest level, Bento helps you organize people, projects, and products. One of the core principles of Bento is simplicity, and having those three things inside a single platform connected to each other is really where it starts for us. Now, don't get me wrong, all of the specialized software products and APIs out there are great. With a little bit of elbow grease and some Googling, anyone can, piece together an automated workflow that will help verify or vet, a new business idea. But what happens when that idea turns into a real company, and now all of a sudden the form capture, lead capture tool that you use isn't notifying the right people on your sales team? Or what happens when the sales team uses a completely different software system than your project management team? You know, uh, Chaos is generally what happens, is what we've seen. So step one for us was to kind of bring all of that under one roof. And it did take some time to figure out how to do that the right way, but it was pretty straightforward. We organize people into teams within our companies, and so it's pretty natural to bring the team concept into Bento. Each team inside of Bento has a list of tools that they can use that are custom to their team. And these are tools like, a full-on CMS or a full inventory management system. There's a whole suite of project management tools, and there's a lot of other tools that go along with it. But the coolest part is that each of these tools belong to the team that they're a part of and are not affected by people using the same tools in other teams. So how you set up your teams and your projects and all that stuff is entirely up to you, and that's the beauty of it. We give you a framework to create the structure that makes sense to you and your teams. So you've got your people separated into teams. You're starting to load inventory in. You've got some projects set up. You're off to a good start. But we wanted to take it another step further, and we did that with a feature we call workflows. Now, workflows for us is a concept that allows Bento to adapt to any sales funnel, project flow, or just general business process. Workflows are attached to things like tasks, to contacts, projects, teams, even documents, and they allow you to kind of create an established flow or process of work for your teams. So for instance, a project management team could create their own workflow that allows them to move a project from one state to another state. And each time they do that, maybe it automatically notifies the specific stakeholders that want to know what's going on with that project. Now, that's a very simple workflow, but you can customize these workflows and they can get much more complicated as you need them to. At the end of the day, you're the one who knows your business like the back of your hand. And you know that to continue growing, you can't keep doing the same things that you've always done. It's time to empower your people and organize your work and do it in a place and on a platform that allows you to grow and scale as your business grows and scales. And that's Bento.